Oh man, I'm about to go pop a firecracker, and Yami's room. He's directly that way, right there. It's like early in the morning. Nobody's here. Empty house. Just straight empty. And yeah, about to go do this. This little firecracker right here. Let me see. This right here. And yeah. So I'm gonna take a walk over here. We're gonna check up on him though real quick.
Don't come in here doing that stuff, dude.
Don't be scared, bro. It's just a firework, dog. So it worked. Yo, I need a haircut. But yeah, now I'm about to play some water tanks.